analytical method or analytic method. We will discuss about this one. Yes, you know already the words analytic and analysis generally. Now we are going to discuss about the analytic method. We can say the father of this analytical method is Aristotle, but he did not propose, but it was already there before the age of Aristotle, and Aristotle used this method in his subjects logic and in mathematics. So the method is, we cannot say that he is the father of analytic method, but we can say he has bring into the community how to use this analytical method in mathematics and subject of logic. So if we come discuss about the word analytic in detail, analytic means, you know, that is breaking up into the pieces, or next we can say grammatically breaking up or separation of the things which are together, separation of the things which are together. So we can say the analysis is a process of breaking or separation of a things which are already are in together into its smaller parts or whatever it may be. So analysis means the resolution of the things into its constituent elements. So it is now very clear that analysis is nothing but is a process, nothing but breaking in a big thing into its smaller parts or smaller elements. So what is the procedure of this analytic method? What is the procedure of this analytic method? Let us move. It is most similar to the inductive method. It is most similar to the inductive method. There we starts with unknown to known. Here also we starts from unknown to known by adopting a process of analysis, and we break the unknown things into a smaller parts. From the smaller parts we come to we will find the solution, and we will recombine the smaller part solutions to get the final solution to the given problem. So this is a procedure we follow in analytic method. So what is the procedure we follow? First we will break up the unknown things into its smaller parts to get the solutions for the smaller parts. Then we recombine the smaller part solutions to get the final solutions to the given problems. This is the procedure we follow generally in mathematics. So this you know already the Thorndike, the educational psychologist, has defined the word in his own style. uh, Analysis is a process of within the analysis is a process. He discussed it like this. Let us recall the definition given by the Thorndike. All the highest intellectual performance within the individual is called analysis. So all the highest intellectual performances within a individual is called analysis. ఈ విధంగా అతను చెప్పడం అనేది జరిగింది. సో we are very clear with the word analysis, and what we do in analytic method we have discussed, how it proceeds also we discussed. Now what are the things, what is the procedure? It leads from conclusion to hypothesis. Conclusion to hypothesis means unknown to known. That means conclusion, hypothesis, unknown to known, abstract to concrete. This method goes like this. And you know, Young, also one of the famous mathematician, he has described this method as it is a method like taking out the needle from the heap of the grass. It's a most suitable comparison given by Young, J.W. Young, the famous mathematician. Analytic method is like a method where we use to take out the needle from the grass bank or grass heap అని is described.